You can now copy an existing quote into another quote to make easy modifications. To do this, identify the quote you wish to duplicate and click the Select All button if you wish to duplicate the entire quote. Or you may select individual items from an existing quote by clicking on the box next to the line item. Once your selections are made, click the Add Selected Items to Cart button. Once the new quote is generated, you will have the ability to add additional items to the quote. Once again, we are excited to introduce DeMI, your portal to everything Linx. We hope you found this video helpful. For more details, other videos, or documentation, please visit the DeMI website or contact us directly.